If you're looking to get more kilometers out of your fuel, here are a few straightforward steps to help you maximize your gas mileage. Lighten your load. Start by removing unnecessary weight from your vehicle. Carrying around heavy items can cause your engine to work harder, leading to increased fuel consumption. Maintain proper tire pressure. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. Ensuring your tires are properly inflated reduces rolling resistance, making it easier for your car to move efficiently. This can have a significant impact on your fuel efficiency. Use the recommended oil grade. Make sure you're using the oil grade recommended in your vehicle's user manual. Using the correct oil type can optimize your engine's performance. Regular maintenance. Stay on top of regular maintenance by replacing air filters and spark plugs as recommended in your vehicle's maintenance schedule. A well-maintained engine operates more efficiently, helping you save on fuel. Smooth driving habits. Avoid excessive idling, rapid acceleration, and hard braking. These habits can waste fuel and decrease your fuel efficiency. Drive smoothly and steadily to conserve energy. Turn off the engine when parked. If you'll be stationary for a while, it's a good idea to turn off your engine. Idling burns fuel unnecessarily and reduces your fuel efficiency. Mind your speed. Be mindful of your speed while driving. Fuel efficiency tends to decrease significantly at speeds over 80 kilometers per hour. Staying within the speed limit can help you save on fuel. By following these tips and being conscious of your driving habits, you can make the most of each liter of fuel and enjoy better fuel efficiency. It's not only good for your wallet, but also for the environment. Vision Zero. Be a Trubie hero.